Hey folks, I'm Anton Collins. I'm a tax attorney with tax law offices. A lot of people search for how do you set up an installment agreement, a payment agreement with the IRS. If you're receiving an IRS letter and it says that you owe an amount, your business owes less than $25,000 or you owe less than $50,000, you know what? You can actually just call the IRS. You can just call the number on that letter and someone at IRS will speak with you. They'll hear your situation. They'll ask you a few questions. They'll ask all kinds of personal data to make sure that they have the right person. But then also they want to collect a little bit of information about you to move forward. One of the big things that they'll want to know is whether you filed all your tax returns. Now, if you have, then they're going to move forward with you. They will give you an amount that they believe will fully pay the liability. Now, why am I telling you that? Because maybe that's your number too, or maybe it's not. Whatever the case is, the IRS is going to give you the number that's best for the IRS to fully collect the liability during the time that IRS can collect it. All right, so that's the first way. You just call IRS. You're gonna have to wait online, and there's some value in having an attorney that can kind of move past the hold and the waiting, but you're gonna have to wait in line and you're gonna have to talk to the IRS. A lot of people are afraid to do that too, but if you wanna do it yourself, that's one of the ways to do it yourself.